Hey guys, hi, I'm Casey and I'm a personal wardrobe stylist, and every now and then I do a shopping haul because you guys really love them, and obviously I love doing them as well. So today we are doing a shopping haul from Walmart. I have so many good finds. Now, okay, let me back up. I have been seeing all of these like hashtag Walmart fashion finds all over Instagram and Facebook. And to be honest, when it comes to big box stores, I usually go to Target. I love Target, but I've been seeing these Walmart finds all over the place. So I want to give it a go. And I'm not going to lie, I was shocked. So many good things. I have fashion finds, clothes, shoes, coats. I have home decor, as well as a really good hack. One that I have spent a lot of money on over the years and have now found its replacement for more than half off. And I'm really excited to share these with you. So let's get started. Let's start with what I'm wearing. And I'm actually really excited about this piece. It is this black drop shoulder sweater. It's short sleeve and I'm really excited to layer it, whether I do a black turtleneck or a striped turtleneck underneath, or my leather jacket, or a camel coat. Like, it's such a classic color and classic piece, and it's gonna be really functional in my closet this fall. Now, after I did my shopping haul, I had a family thing to go to, and I wore this because I was eager and it was so cute. And when I got there, the first thing my sister said was,
"Cute sweater, is it from Madewell?"
I mean, that is like the biggest compliment ever. And you know what? I was so pumped to tell her, no, it's Walmart. And it was like $14.97. It was under $15. It was amazing. I am running to get another one in a different color for under $15 for a really classic silhouette. Like, this is such a good piece. For the next thing, what should we share? Okay, when I was there, I was shocked by how many amazing shoes Walmart had. So obviously it's fall. There were lots of boot options that didn't look like they were from Walmart. They looked a lot nicer than their price tag. I think the most expensive ones were $25. There was probably 5 pairs that I was sending texts back and forth with my sister, like, which ones would you buy? And it was pretty much all of them. So I bought 2 of them. One is a little bit more of a dressy boot, and one is a more casual kind of everyday boot. So let's start with the dressy ones. These are $24.95, so these were the most expensive pair of shoes that I loved, and for good reason. They look way more expensive than they actually are. I love the gray suede. You're gonna find that they go black or brown, and then this stacked teal. It's supposed to look like a wood stacked teal. It's not wood, but you could have fooled me. I also love that it's thicker. When you're up a little bit higher, you're not gonna have to worry about your balance or comfort. And then one thing that Walmart is doing with their shoes is putting memory foam in all of them. They're so comfortable. So whether you are wearing these with skinny jeans or a skirt, this type of boot is going to elevate your look, and for $25, it cannot be beat. Obsessed. Okay, should we go into the other pair of boots? No, let's do a coat. Let's do a coat, because I was also shocked by this one. All right, so I had seen this coat or one similar on someone's Instagram, and so I knew that Walmart had really good outerwear, but I was shocked once I actually got my hands on this coat by the quality of it. First of all, it is so soft. It is like stupidly soft, and it has just a really good silhouette and really good clean lines that make it look like, yes, it's not from Walmart, but it is. And it's $39.88. My advice for this coat would be to size down. Now, I am normally a medium, just a happy medium in kind of everything. In this case, I am a small. All they had was a medium, so that's what I grabbed so I can show you, but you better believe that for $40, I'm gonna switch this out for a small because it's just a good classic piece. Everybody should have a black coat. I told you that I have some home decor, and I do, and I'm really excited about it. I have pillows. And outdoor pillows. When I drive down the road in my like super adorable neighborhood, the houses that just look the best, you know that they don't ever yell at their kids. They have hot breakfast every morning. You know, they're in bed by 9 p.m. These houses all have pillows on their front porch, and I wanted to be like one of them. So when I was at Walmart, I saw a whole cage of these outdoor pillows, and I chose these 2. Want to know the kicker? They are $5 a piece. Now, there were lots of different patterns. I chose these 2 because I knew I wanted to layer them together on the chairs. And these were just the most classic colors, most classic patterns. They looked more than $5 a piece. Do you see kind of where I'm going when it comes to purchasing things? I want them to look more expensive than they actually were. So I love these. They're fade resistant. They're gonna be great outside. Maybe people driving by my house will think that my kids are in bed by 7 p.m. every night. I don't know. We'll see where these pillows can take me. All right, I have something else for you, and that is this really classic long sleeve shirt. It is also ribbed, so it just looks more expensive than it is. Now, I have shared these before in some of my overhauls, specifically my Target ones, just because when it comes to the fall and the winter, and then the winter that just keeps going on and on, these are a staple. Whether they go under jackets or sweaters or cardigans, I am wearing them all seasons, all of the seasons, majority of the year. So I like to stock up on them. So if you feel like you need more layering pieces for the fall, go check these out. They're so great. I got a medium. If you want it to feel a little bit tighter or more fitted, then go for your smaller size. I wanted more of a looser fit. So just keep that in mind. I kind of want to go into our next pair of shoes. Was really shocked by the shoes that I found here. And these ones are like a Steve Madden Dolce Vita dupe, but for a quarter of the price. I love the versatility of the color. It's kind of a mix between your gray and your browns. And the zippers, the perforations, the sole, all of these are just working together to make them look a lot more expensive than $19.98. These are $19.98. It is shocking. Once again, these also have the memory foam that Walmart is putting into their shoes. And there's a bit of a secret in these. There's a built-in heel. So your foot is gonna be sitting about right here, which is going to elongate your leg line and obviously help you look taller. So I love these. It's kind of a crossover between a sneaker and a boot. You're gonna find a lot of versatility in them, and you're gonna find the comfort in them as well. As I was walking around, I saw an abundance of sweaters and sweatshirts, whether they had hoods or were crew necks. And I found this camo one that I just fell in love with. It's under $12. It has a very relaxed fit with kind of slits on the sides. And I just saw myself in leggings and boots and a nice jacket on over top, and I just fell in love. For $12, not even H&M can beat this price. And it's a bit of a lighter weight. So you're gonna find that you can use it to layer fall, winter, and even into spring. I picked up a couple home items. The first is this lint roller that everyone should have in their house. I have these scattered throughout my house, but have been finding that I am running low because I use them all the time, you guys, all the time. I have talked about lint rollers in probably 3 or more of my videos because they're just that important, especially if you have dogs or other pets in the house that leave their fur all around. I keep these in my car. I keep them in my closet. I keep them in my junk drawer. They're everywhere. So if you don't have a lint roller, add to cart. The next home decor item that I have for you is the biggest dupe ever. And I've realized that I have spent a lot of unnecessary money over the last decade when it comes to candles. Now, one candle that has been hot, no pun intended, I promise, for a very long time has been this Capri Blue volcano candle. A lot of our homes have smelled like this and have become this volcano candle. It is the best scent, but these are gonna run you $28 for this size. Like, they're expensive and they run out quickly. And they also don't burn all the way down. Like, if you have tried one of these, then you know. Well, you guys, I have found you a dupe that is going to blow your socks off, and it is this Better Homes and Garden Red Lava Citrus. Put that right here. It smells identical to the volcano scent, and I think it's bigger. Yeah. This is definitely bigger. It's just under $12, so more than half off of the volcano, and I'm excited because I'm not joking. This is like the only scented candle that I put in my house, and I found a comparable dupe. I have tried a lot of dupes over the years, trust me, a lot. And this is the best one I've ever found. Better Home and Garden Red Lava Citrus. I will link it down below. I am so excited. All right, the last piece that I have to share with you. I'm really sad about this ending. I get sad every time one of these hauls end, but I think we found some really good things. The last piece that I have for you is a dress. I actually have not tried it on, so I hope it is not a bust. But what got me really excited was the color this really pretty mustard, this flower pattern, and then all of these pretty details. You've got the smocking around the neckline, the smocking around the waist, and then it's gonna be a little bit lower past my knees. Let's try it on. This is a really good fall piece that you can wear as is with just some loafers, or you can transition it into winter with some tights and some boots and a really pretty jacket. So I love the versatility in this. It is $21.46, such a good price. I'm really excited about it. Guys, thanks for watching me, my first Walmart haul. Like, where have I been? If I missed something that you have found at Walmart recently, let us know down below. We all wanna know, we all wanna hear, we all wanna wear it. Let us know. In the meantime, I'm just gonna be sniffing this candle. I'm gonna go light it. I'm gonna go light it. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And if you click that little bell next to subscribe, then you'll be notified every time I release a new video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.